So, this week we're going to talk about problem solving and what your kids can do and how they learn how to solve problems. So, children learn, it's a 4-step process. So, first they're going to discover, then they understand, then they experiment, and then they adjust to discover again. So, we're going to do this in a couple different ways. Now, the little ones, you can take those little eggs and pop them together and see if they can open them up. And maybe they can put them back together. They can open them up, put them back together. See who can do that. You can take other things that open, like, oh, a Ziploc bag. Oh, it opens. See if the child can do it. Zip it back up. I don't know how many things you want to teach your child to open. Whatever you have, right? Like, oh, my glasses case. It opens and closes. What else do you have? I have a bottle of ibuprofen. We are not going to teach a child to open that. Water bottles, practice that twisting, that turning, okay? The doorknobs, all those kinds of things. You're solving things. You're opening and closing them. Maybe you put something inside, like a cotton ball, and then you open it. Oh, look, what is it? Okay? Now, they can also, with these, if you have a bunch of Easter eggs, maybe y'all had some hunts last week. Look, you could put them together, especially these when they're stuck together, the tops and bottoms. My kids love to do this and make like a big, huge necklace, like join them together. Like there's all kinds of fun things that you can do like that. Figure out, oh, does this one go together? Does this one go together? Right? So that's one way that they're like, oh, okay, it doesn't go quite all the way around in a circle. This is how we take them apart. Another thing that you'll see on one of the pages is let's throw them. Let's toss them, right? We've already done that before with this kind of ball, right? It had like that toss, and you know how I joked about having that egg toss? Well, now you can compare things. So you could even go ahead and make a chart with your child as to what the weight of different things. Which one is going to go further when you throw it? Right? You could I included some cotton balls because you could put a cotton ball in one egg and see how far that goes, and then put something heavier in another egg and then see how far that goes, and have your child compare it. And I love to use, like, if you have a chalkboard, use a chalkboard, dry erase board. Heck, you can even get the shaving cream from last week and use that on a mirror to like make your chart. But especially as they get older, they'll want to be able to compare and actually see that comparison in person. So we're working with them on discovering, understanding, experimenting, and adjusting, right? So maybe, the egg, they can't throw it very far with nothing in it or with just a cotton ball in it. But if you put some cereal in it, it's heavier and you can throw it further. Another thing, take an empty can or something, or just an empty Mardi Gras cup, and put it down on the ground, have the child stand on a chair and try to drop it into the cup. That's a very fun thing to do. So there's lots of fun ways that we can play. The other thing that we're going to talk about are your pets. Your 4-legged friends. They can help you teach a child all different things, responsibility, how to be caring, how to be gentle, how to be loving. They can be there for the child as the child learns to read, to be able to read aloud to the animal. They can also, though, be a source of some disease and illnesses. So we want to make sure we wash hands. We want to keep that litter box away from the children. We want to make sure that the kids don't kiss them on the lips. And yeah, wash hands afterwards. Teach them how to be safe around more wild animals, but without being afraid. So these are all awesome things that we're going to talk about. And I can't wait to see how your child discovers, understands, experiments, adjusts, and discovers again.